So we're going to go over a few tips and tricks with the copy machine. The first thing we're going to do is some of the features that the copy machine can help you out with. So when you click the copy button, if you go into finishing, you'll see that you can have the option to staple and hole punch or to fold. So we can staple either in the corner or in a 2 position like a booklet. You can also hole punch either a 2 or a 3 hole punch. And then if you go over to the fold and bind, you can choose to have it half fold, center staple and fold, which would make it kind of like a stapled booklet, or a tri-fold. You just select what you would like and click OK, and run your copies through. If you go back to the access button, to the menu button and click scan or fax, this is where you'll do all of the scanning or faxing that you'll want to do. To scan, you would either select the person that you would like to scan to, or you can collect direct input and email, and you can type in the email address of the person that you wish to send it to. If you're sending a fax, when you click the scan button, this will automatically show up. If you click direct input, fax, you can then type the fax number that you wish to enter. Try with the one first with your phone number. If it ends up not going through, you can then take the one off. That is the number one issue that we have with our fax machine. If it does not go through, it will try 3 times and it will send out a letter stating that it failed. So you'll know if you don't receive the letter that it went through successfully. So those are just a few of the little more advanced things our copy machine can do. If you have any questions, always stop at the office and we can help you out with that.